Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a wheel matchup video with a set of 20x9 Moto Metal 978 razors in a matte black and machined finish with some 305 5520 BFGoodrich KO2 all-terrain tires. Now these Moto Metal 978 razors, they're offered in a black and milled finish and then a black with a red milled finish. They're offered in a 18, 20, and 22-inch wheel, and the 20-inch wheels are offered in a 20x9, 20x10, and 20x12. This is a 20x9 with a positive 18mm offset. When you start going to those positives, you don't have the concave look that is in style right now. So just know that going into it when you're watching this video, when you're looking at the pictures online. Most of the pictures online are of 20x10s and 20x12s, which gives you that concave look. With that being said, it's a good overall look. Love Moto Metals, great brand owned by Wheel Pros. These 305 55 BFG all-terrain tires, they are some of the best tires on the market. What I love about them is that every tire shop can get them. Whether you're in Wisconsin, whether you're in Indiana, Idaho, Illinois, Texas, any discount tire, any Firestone, you are going to easily be able to source this tire if you need to replace it. If you get a flat or anything like that, no matter where you're at in the continental United States, you'll be able to get it. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, these BFGs, they ride great. Can't beat them. So again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.